Hello friends, my name is boAt. I have purchased this boAt 200 portable Bluetooth speaker from Amazon, and this is the invoice. I have purchased at the price 999. This is the package received from Amazon. Let's unboxing this particular product. You can see this is the boAt package. This is the invoice received from Amazon. Let's open this bottle or box. You can see all the details over here. The product what we have received. boAt speaker, Bluetooth speaker. We received the warranty card. This is the overview of the product, and you can see all the options available on the top. You need to charge the boAt speaker if you are using it. So whenever you are in the charging, it will come in the red color. Easy to carry, a handle, plastic handle for it, for easy carry. Simply power on the speaker, and once it is power on, a light will be blinking on the device, and now you can connect your device with mobile. Switch on the Bluetooth option. You can see the boAt option over here. The last post on 200. Select the device, and now it will be paired up. You can see it is paired now. Shown at the top. Let's play the song. You can see really great song. This is the volume. Low volume. Click in this.
Low volume.
And this is the volume up. Volume button. This is the maximum sound. Charge it for a couple of hours, and we can use it. And we receive one more cable using which you can connect your mobile and the Bluetooth speaker. This cable, and you can play the audio. So this is the jack, and now you can also use using this cable. Overall, the speaker is very good, and I prefer this to all users.
Are you an online buyer? Please share your purchase experience by reviewing it or uploading videos on RevExpo.com and get up to 40% cash rewards on your purchase price. Why are you waiting for? Start reviewing or help other online buyers to decide whether to buy that product or not. Thank you.